Today I'll teach you Gemini plus AE to generate an infinite loop trailing animation. First, open Gemini, then we upload an effect we want and write the corresponding prompt. Then let it generate CVG format. You can directly download and generate it. After downloading it, we can directly drag it into Figma. Then simply set its effects. Then open the AE file and create a new project. Then expand AX in the window. Open AX and select a newly created project. Here, select the same size. Then open Figma. In Figma, directly in the plugin. Then find AX. If you don't have this AX, you can directly go to their official website to download. And you are using Figma and After Effects. Then open this window. Then click on Send Selection to AE. And send it directly to the AE panel. Let's see the effect. Check if the entire path is a perfect closed loop. Well, if it's closed, we can slightly adjust it in After Effects. Adjust it and break a small point here. Here, use the pen tool to add an anchor point. Move this anchor point slightly. Move it a little bit. It doesn't affect the overall effect. As long as it doesn't affect the effect, then zoom in. Zoom in, select the two points you just created. Then right-click on the mask and shape path. And uncheck the closed option. Then draw a color here. It's disconnected. Right-click here to create a new solid color. Let's create another solid color. You can choose any color. Then select all the paths below. Command-C to copy it. Then select the solid color path above. Then Command-V paste it in. Then in the red giant plugins, then in the 3D stroke, you can install it yourself. Then we install this 3D stroke. Then in the thickness of the 3D stroke, I'll adjust it slightly. 6. Then right-click in the blank area to composite. Set the overall time a little shorter. Let's set it to 1 second. Set it to loop as a whole. Then a cone. Let's set it up. Enable cone. Set the cone starting point to 100. We add a keyframe to it, and then add a keyframe at the first second. Set it to 100. Then press the spacebar. This is the basic effect, and set a basic setting for it. Color. Okay, now we have a basic effect. At this time, we will add an outer glow to it. Then select Deep Glow from the effect presets. You can install it according to your actual situation, and then the parameters can be simply adjusted. Exposure should not be too high. The overall effect is okay.
点赞关注，下期见。